Menta kasan tarik jelio arhaja arpaulai u Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya uba Ernest Maurie ulayaro ya ka sorkar MDA tu kabalayalam du Menteri Rangba ke jela ukanat ke sangma halor ke Shim Khia Jingpynbeit ya uput usam bat ke Assam. Habakaran menta kasngi uba Ernest ulaong balingba ke Shim Khia u Menteri Rangba Jingpynbeit Henry Teli ki jaka kat bahasa Henry Teli endang penbeit biang menta usnam Jingpynbeit no barok. Ulaong baka sorkar pedeng bayalam ke BJP, kabalayalam do Menteri Rangba adu kari u Narendra Modi, bat u Menteri katanat kampo iyeng kari u Amit Shah, kila keren syai baklem ke Jingpynbeit ya ki kampen triam bat ke jingya ka japut, hapding ke jela, ki kampen roy hakathan syatay lam ingi ke India, kin omla abanian. Hakajuk kapor uba Ernest ulanyo ya ki kampen roy, ki balale ada ka sorkar BJP, hakinik kendai senam balalet, hapok ke jingyalam u Modi. Hakajuk kapor ke BJP Meghalaya kalapha syaka disciplinary committee ban bishar ya u Boston Marak ubadai u CEM barim ke GHADC bat u dekhot ke parti hadin ba ula syak pentian mukot duma haka lokai yukta halor ke jingkeno bamsam.
After the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji assumed an office for the second term in the 2019, he emphasized on the interstate border dispute issue among the northeastern state. Union Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji has asked the Northeast Chief Minister, including Assam Chief Minister, to solve the boundary issues with the neighbor state in a time-bound manner. In spite the Congress for the last 50 years mostly ruled both the state of Meghalaya and Assam, and in spite their presence at center, they drag the state border issue for their political benefit. Here, I need to appreciate our Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Shri Conrad Sangma, who was shown a keen interest with the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, Shri Himanta Biswa Sarma ji. In a short span of time, 6 out of 12 issues has been settled between the Assam and Meghalaya. This is true in certain areas. There are still small dispute remaining, but both the state leadership is working out to get a permanent solution. So we can say that 60% of the border dispute between the Assam and Meghalaya have already been resolved. And I hope that in this year, both Assam and Meghalaya will 100% resolve their border dispute permanently. Our state government for taking the initiative for bringing back the student from Manipur safely. Honorable Prime Minister and Home Minister is round the clock monitoring on the situation in Manipur. Respected Amit Shah ji, recent visit is expected to be a significant in bringing back peace in Manipur. Government at the center under the dynamic leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji always say that development of the Northeast is not possible unless dispute between state are resolved and armed group do not surrender. He always dreamed that in 75 years of India freedom, Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, of a peaceful and prosperous Northeast, strong political will shown by Chief Minister of all the Northeast state. We will make Northeast dispute free. I, on behalf of the BJP Meghalaya Pradesh, I express my gratitude to the Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji and Amit Shah ji, the Home Minister, for their effort to bring HNLC for a peace talk, even within the ambit of the Constitution of India, to regain the respect and recognition as a nation. Once again, I also appreciate the state government effort to bring HNLC to the peace table. Number one, the Jan Dhan Yojana, which initiated on the August 28, 2014. Second, Skill India Mission, which initiated in the August 28, 2014. Indian Meat started on the September 28, 2014. Mission Swachh Bharat, 2nd October 2014. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana started 11 October 2014. Shram Jati Yojana started on the 16th October 2014. Beti Bajao Beti Parao started on the 22nd January 2015. Haryadi Plan for the year started on the 21st January 2015. PM Mudra Yojana started on the 8th April 2015. Ujala Yojana started on the 1st May 2015. A total pension Yojana started on the 9th May 2015. Number 12, Jyoti Bima Yojana, Prime Minister, started on the 9th May 2015. The Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. And the 14th number is the Smart City Initiative, started on the 9th May 2015. 15th number, Amrut Strategy, started on the 25th June 2015. Mission for Digital India, started on the 2nd July 2015. Coal Monetization Plan, started on 5th November 2015. Scheme for Sovereign Coal Bond, started on the 5th November 2015. Uday, started on the 20th November 2015. Startup India, started on 16th January. Situ Bhartam Yojana, started on the 4th March 2016. Startup India, 5th April 2016. Gramode Se Bharat Ude, started on the 14th to 24 April 2016. Prime Minister Ojala Plan, started on the 1st of May 2016. Namami Ganga Yojana, started on 7 July 2016. And Satat Scheme started on October 2018. I know you are all awaited for the talk of the system. The BJP has attended the all-party meeting called by Honorable Chief Minister and agreed to a special committee where our representative is also there. Now it is the duty of the committee to talk to all concerned and suggest the Chief Minister. One thing, lastly, I would like to say that a new parliament building which was inaugurated by our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji last Sunday, that is 28 May 2023, was completed within 28 months. That is to no untoward incident happen either in the construction or we have heard any scam about the construction of the parliament building. Meghalaya Assembly, which was unfortunate, got gutted in the year 2001. Successive government have failed to give Meghalaya a new assembly in all these years. I earnestly request our Honorable Chief Minister to see that before the next parliament election that the people of Meghalaya get a new assembly building. As you all know, we the BJP practice zero tolerance on the corruption. Recently, the Lokyota has charged the former CM of GHADC, Shri Boston Marak, who happened to be in the BJP, and he is a Scheduled Tribe Morcha president. I'm relieving him from all responsibilities with immediate effect and forwarding this matter to the disciplinary committee for suggestion what action should be taken against him. Thank you.